All right, morning smoothie bowl has basically every day. I'm gonna build the base first. It's gonna come out almost like a gelato consistency. So need a blender and a spatula. Make any alterations you want to based on like dairy issues, etc. Start with a 3/4 cup of thick Greek yogurt, non-fat, has 16 grams of protein per serving, so certainly a good start. That's in there already. A scoop of vanilla, whey isolate protein. If you have issues with whey protein, stomach issues, etc., sometimes the whey isolate is more forgiving alternate. Then I'm gonna take an avocado, actually. You can use a banana too. It gives you pretty much like the same consistency without the sugar and certainly a load of like really good fats in there. So I'm gonna scoop out the avocado in there as well. You can use a half. As long as you wrap the other half pretty tightly, you can pretty much preserve it. Otherwise it's gonna turn brown. But I'm gonna use the whole thing. Okay, that's it. Lastly, frozen berries. Use about a cup of it. A little bit of a guesstimate. When I start to blend it, I'm gonna blend it on low. So if you have a Vitamix, like I'm gonna start it on 1. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, just a little bit, only because it's gonna get pretty jammed up. And I'm just gonna let it run. One time, just scrape down the sides. Just run it one more time. Just so that the frozen fruit get blended. And even if there's some, little bits in there, it's okay. That's it. So your base literally has a consistency like a gelato, right? And then what I typically do is add to that base. And you can add anything you want, really. It's a great base. So for me, it's walnuts, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of ground flax, some pumpkin seeds, but again, like vary it. And you can add anything else to it. If I have some leftover steel cut oats, I add that to it too. Mix it all up and have at it. You're gonna see volume in there that you probably wouldn't believe was there. So well worth it. Great way to start breakfast. You can put some away, have some in the morning, have some later on in the afternoon, but certainly a great way to get protein in because you're probably looking at close to 40 grams, which is really great. Shooting for that 30 to 50 gram window per meal. You're not gonna really go to school hungry or class hungry or work hungry. It'll be able to fuel you throughout the day. So hope you enjoy it. Let me know. Bye.